Hi, I'm Dr. Ed, and we're going to be talking about a couple of different yoga poses today that will help with the lower back and hip area. Again, the intention here is to help loosen some of the tight muscles in those regions. Often yoga can be intimidating for people and they feel inhibited to do it, but these are simple things you can do, and you're not expected to be a yogi when you do these, but they can help, and you got to start somewhere. So just be patient, and I'll show you what to do, and stay with it. Create a nice rhythm with doing these stretches, and it will help your lower back tremendously. We're going to start with the pigeon pose. A very, very simple stretch, but yet sometimes it can be difficult to get into. You want to place both hands on the mat here. You want to thread your leg through, if you will, like this. And you're going to slowly, you want to bring this up as close to 90 degrees as you can. And you want to slowly, just right like this, you're going to get a very nice stretch. If you cannot bring your leg up to 90 degrees, it's okay to leave it down just a bit to start with. But when you do this, you want to try to keep bringing it up more and more so you can get it at 90 degrees. When you come down, you're just going to sink down, and your butt will start to drop on the floor off to the side a little bit, and you want to come down. As you do this, breathe. Breathe in, exhale, and sink further into the stretch. And further until your butt is on the floor. That leg is straight behind you, the opposite leg, and this one is up here. And just sink further and further until your head either touches the ground or your chin touches your knee, okay? You may be up like this. This is a great stretch to start with, and you can use your arms out to the side like this to slowly, this is for stability, to sink down and kind of gently push the buttock and that sit bone towards the floor there as you come down, okay? And a great stretch again for the hip and lower back region. You would do that on both sides, so you would just switch, again, thread through, come up, and you're gonna bring that leg 90 degrees, and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna sink down first, just like this, get that stretch, and then slowly, slightly off as you try to sit down further, okay? Next, child pose. Again, a very simple stretch. You're gonna widen the knees a little bit, and you're gonna let your butt kind of sink between your ankles there, and you're just gonna come through, walk down, and stretch, okay? Come down as far as you can, sink into it, keeping your butt as low as possible. I've always had a problem with this stretch. In fact, my yoga instructor used to sit on me to get me down further, which you'll see often in certain people where they just cannot get the butt down. The key is to try to keep that as low as possible. Walk down and stretch again and come down. Now, you can walk off to the side if you like to get more of a stretch, certain areas, and like such. Great stretch. Okay, that concludes the child pose.